Good day viewers, you are once again welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we are on 2023/2024 Further Mathematics Questions with Answers. Compulsory question number 3. If root of q minus 3 plus root of q plus 2 is equal to 5, find q. So we're gonna find q. Now listen to me attentively. Most students do this mistake when they are solving questions like this. They try to square both sides or square all sides so that they can cancel out the square root, but never do that. That's wrong. Never and ever do that, okay? Let me explain that to you, the reason why you must not do that. But first of all, I know that you don't get me. It is not balancing in your head. You don't know why I'm saying that this approach is wrong. You are a little bit confused here, but please pay particular attention to me and I can explain. So please let me explain it to you, okay? Please watch the step-by-step procedure. The square will take away the square root of both sides on the left hand side and the 5 square will be 25. We can equate q minus 3 plus q plus 2 to 25. We can say that q plus q is equal to 2q and minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 25. We jump the minus 1 to the equal to sign to become plus 1 and 25 plus 1 is 26. Therefore, we have to divide both sides by 2 so that the 2 will take away the 2 and it will left with the q and the 2 cancelling 26 will give us 13. 2 goes into 2 one time, so to be 1. 2 goes into 6 3 times, so 1 and 3 will be 13. That's why 2 goes into 26 13 times, or we can just multiply 13 by 2 to get 26. But don't get an idea that this procedure is the right way of solving this question. No, this said, let me place the 13 there for you guys. K is equal to 13. So let me write the 13 there for you. Sorry guys, my artificial intelligence failed me, but let's put 13 into this equation, or let's put 13 inside and check whether it is right. I'm writing my 5 afresh. I'll write my square root of k is 13, so 13 plus 2. And then I'll move on to change this whole thing. The square root of q is 13, so 13 minus 3. And I'll just introduce my addition sign to it because it must add. Because there was addition sign, let me clean it and let me work on it so that I'll check whether we will get an answer which is the same as 5 or which is equal to 5. 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. 13 minus 3 is equal to 10, so the 10 plus 15 is equal to 7.035, which is not equal to 5. It is not equal to 7 is not equal to 5, guys. So you see the reason why I said that procedure is wrong. Now look this way. Look at how we're gonna solve this one too. And this is the right procedure. This is the right method for you guys to follow, and this will help you to solve this question or any question like this. Now don't square both sides or don't square all sides. You just have to move one of the square root to the 5 so that it will be 5 minus like root of q plus 2. So we just move, or we just transferred the root of q plus 2 there to become minus root of q plus 2 to square both sides so that you can deal with the brackets and the square roots. This is the accurate way, or this is the correct procedure of solving it. There's no way you're gonna get this answer wrong. So square will cancel the square root and it will be q minus 3. Again, the square of 5 minus root of q plus 2 is the same as 5 minus root of q plus 2 times the same 5 minus root of q plus 2. Let me use blue color to write to circle the square. There was square there, so the square means that they multiply. So 5 will multiply 5 to become 25, and then minus root q plus 2 multiply 5 and to become minus 5 root q plus 2. Now let's multiply again. We've not done yet. This 5 will multiply minus root q plus 2, and the answer will be minus 5 root q plus 2. Now minus root k plus 2 multiplying the same minus root k plus 2 minus multiply minus to become positive, and the square root, we just take the square root away and we can only write k plus 2 there, because square root of n multiplying square root of n is the same as n. You get it? It is one of the laws or one of the rules in sets or in even mathematics. It is there and it is accepted everywhere you go. So q minus 3, let me write q minus 3 there, and it is equated to 25. So I'll underline it and just write it there so that you see it clearly. Now here we can use some root 2, because we have root k plus 2 and root k plus 2. They are the same. Since they are the same, we can just add the minus 5 and the minus 5 to become minus 10, and we just write one of the root of k plus 2 there. Now we will add plus k plus 2 onto 8. That is where I've used red hand or red arrow to indicate it. Now we've just solved half of this question and it's almost done. K can cancel k there, because when you move that k to this positive k, it will be k minus k and it's 0, so we can just cancel it out straight here and add 2 to 25 to become 27, and we add our minus 10 with k plus 2 to 8. Mathematically, we can then transfer 27 to the minus 3 to become minus 27 minus 3, which is minus 30. So we just transfer this 27 to that 3 and add it up to become minus 30. It's equal to minus 10 root k plus 2. Now let me clean it so that you have free space to work on this sheet. You don't have to waste this sheet. Now minus 30 is equal to minus 10 root k plus 2. You can divide both sides or all sides by what? By minus 10. Minus 30 divided by minus 10, and minus 10 root k plus 2 also divided by minus 10. Minus will just take away the minus, or to cancel it from there, and 0 will cancel the 0 there too. Minus taking minus, and 0 will also take the 0. Sorry guys, I forgot to cancel the 0 of the 30, so let me cancel that too. We have 3 equals k plus 2. 3 square is 9, and you can square this side for the square to cancel the square root, so that 9 is equal to k plus 2. This is the appropriate way of solving it. So we transfer the positive 2 there to become negative 2, and 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, k is equal to 7. So whenever we see k, we will just write 7 inside. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 5. Root of 7 minus 3 is equal to square root of 4 plus square root of 7 plus 2 is equal to square root of 9, or root of 9, which is equal to 5. And yes, of course, it is equal to 5. Why? Because root of 4 is 2, root of 9 is 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and we get the same answer. We got the correct answer, the right answer there. Please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel.